Hey everyone, it's Sandra from Ardent Skills, and I am giving you everything you ever wanted to know about finding your customers and clients online in 5 minutes. So let's do this because everybody wants to know where to find your clients and your customers these days, right? I mean, it's hard and crazy out there. So let me give you some ideas, right? You've got people that you don't know at all that you're trying to reach. We're calling them cold, right? Because they don't know you at all. And you want to warm them up so that they know about your product or your service and they're ready to buy from you. So they're either ready to buy right away or they're ready to buy, in some short term that you want. So that's obviously the goal, right? I mean, that's what you're trying to do is to move these people to buy from you. So unfortunately, there is no one answer for everybody, right? Because there is just not one thing that fits each person. Everybody's business is at a different stage. Everybody has a different business. Each person brings their own experiences in. So there isn't one answer like you have to do this on Facebook or you have to do this on, with your email list. Okay, that's not what we're talking about here today. Today we're talking about literally the only two ways to be able to find your buyers online. Okay. So the first way is that you buy them. Literally, you buy them. You're either doing paid advertising, could be lots of different ways, right? Could be ads on social. It could be video ads on the video channels. It could be email buys, or it even could be sponsorships of things like other people's blogs. But that's buying. Usually, buying customers works awesome, but when you're scaling up. So you've already got a successful path of knowing who your customers are, how you're reaching them, who exactly you want to, your messaging is perfect, and you're just trying to get more of those same people. Then you really want to buy them, right? Because you're just trying to get more. The only other way really that you want to buy your customers is if you've got a sale on something and just want to move, like you're not worried about whether they're going to be customers in the long run, but you just want to sell some stuff, right? That's a good way. Or you have some sort of discount in your services or an event that you're having and you just want to get as many people as you possibly can to the event. The other way, which is the real long-term way, and it's not one or the other, by the way, it's different ones at different times. But the predominant way and the way that I really teach is organically, okay? Call it organically because you're growing them instead of buying them. This is all the types of tactics that you're probably asking questions about, which are things like, optimizing your website for the search engines, right? So that you rank higher, getting your blog posts up and ranking in the different places that your content could be, repurposing content so that you're not, constantly duplicating everything, and that you're not making so much work for yourself. And this is social, right? So these are the questions where you'd grow, a social platform. But remember, these are cold people. They don't know you, and you're trying to start your conversations with them, okay? So social is just one of the tactics. So growing them is absolutely what every business needs to do, and you need to do this all the time. This is your long-term play. It's not going to be your quick fix, immediately find customers, but it is the solid way to grow your business. And you need to be doing parts of both at any point in time. So if you've got a super successful business and you're trying to scale up, you're probably going to do a lot more, paid advertising at the moment for your returns than you might be doing, your search engine optimization or creating content. If you're starting out, you need to be doing a lot more of the content side of things and, not so much of the paid advertising. So that's generally your only two ways to find buyers. So right now, that's it for our 5-minute video today to give you an idea of the directions that you need to take and how you need to balance your two different sides of the marketing activities. If you want to figure out how this applies best to your own business, then just leave your email for me, message, don't leave it on the comments, but message me here in the group. And give me your email address. We can contact you that way. Or you can sign up. I do 15-minute calls. We can definitely hash out, some of the ideas in which direction that you should be taking. So hopefully that gave you some really good ideas and gave you the placeholder for getting your answers. Okay. So thanks. That's all for today. And all success. Enjoy your day.